Okay, this is my 2003 Expedition 4-wheel drive Eddie Bauer 5.4 liter. Work with me because I'm a girl and I'm just learning, but I'm enjoying it just as much. What I've done here is I've cut this and this off with a glove. So this is blocked from this. There's no access from oxygen or to oxygen. There's a glove underneath it, and it's just holding tightly around this part, and then a rubber band, and then I put this back on to make sure that it stayed even tighter. And then from here, this air intake just sits, I guess. Oh my god, wow, Angelina. Anyway, I disconnected this hose here. See the green? Right there, the green. Well, I disconnected that. See, the hose is here. And I just left it hanging, okay? So it's just hanging there. Then where this one was right here originally. So when I disconnected it and left it hanging, I connected my own hose here, my extra, my spare, or whatever you want to call it, and follow it along all the way to the end, right? So then I have this end. And what I've been doing is, hold on one second, work with me, un momento. And then I inhale smoke. I blow it into the line. And the cigar is disgusting. But as you can see, when I blow into the line, let's see if I can set you up here. Probably not going to be able to set you up at all. Let's see. There we go. As I blow into the line, this line here, the end. And I plug it after I've blown the smoke into it. And if you watch carefully, you will see smoke. It's coming out from my intake, as well as that back corner. I hope you can see it. I don't know if you can see it from here, huh? It's coming out of here like crazy. So I have to detach this and find out what it is. See, the smoke's still coming up like crazy. So I'm gonna detach my coolant reservoir or whatever and just look behind it and check it out. And I'll get back to you. Hope you guys didn't miss out on any details. I hope I got every bit of it for you. See this hose here? The one I just attached here. Okay, just hanging. This one over here attached to the, gosh, I forget what it's called. Carburetor? No, not carburetor. Either way, I attached that hose where that other one was, and I follow it all the way along, poop, to this end, and then I have my cigar, and I blow the smoke into this tube, and then when I blow it in, it's going to enter the system, and it should come out somewhere if there's a leak. So that's what I'm looking for, smoke, and I detected smoke here, over here, somewhere. So I have to find out what's making that seal not hold. And then I detected it also here, which I thought when I first saw this whole deal, well, duh, that's not going to hold very well. It doesn't have a seal at all. It just sits in there. It's kind of stupid. I don't know if anything else is missing or not, so I might be kind of stupid. But that's what I believe the manufacturer created it like. And then I found smoke over here, like I said, in the back corner right behind the reservoir for the coolant. So I'm going to detach this and then find out what it is that's leaking, and I'll get back to you folks. I hope you enjoyed again, and nice working with you.